Kicked out of Polo store. Yes.
No, there's nothing.
Oh, okay. Kicked out again. Kicked out of Polo store, Polo Ralph Lauren store, SoHo, New York City. And I've been running into this a lot lately. So this happened at Barnes & Noble, Union Square, and it just happened here. So they were really nice. I explained the channel and that it would help promote them and just, you know, be one of the coolest stores in the city. So guys, I've been having some bad luck lately. So kicked out again, this time Polo Ralph Lauren SoHo store. And it's the Olympics. I feel not patriotic all of a sudden. All right, I'm gonna try the next store, guys. Wish me luck.